Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable 2FA on Discord step by step. So first of all, simply open discord.com in your web browser, then simply sign in into your account first if you haven't already. Now over here on the dashboard of Discord, you need to simply click on this user settings option here in the bottom. Now, when you are inside the settings of your Discord account, by default, you will be on the account info. So here you can just simply scroll down a bit and look for the option of password and security. You can also directly click on the option of password and security in order to get this particular option. Now over here, if you have enabled the authenticator application, you just have to simply click on that. Then simply select the option of remove authenticator application. Discord is going to then ask you to verify your identity. So simply select the option of verify with something else and then simply enter one of your 8-digit backup codes and confirm that. So once that code is accepted in Discord, the authenticator based 2FA is going to be removed from your Discord account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.